Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theCeesOfLife.com coming to you live once again. Man, I had a pretty filled and eventful day today. I just spent most of the day finishing up the video projects that I had. I've undertaken like four really big projects simultaneously and just finished up the largest one, and now I got to tackle a few of the rest. But the biggest one that I had to do was the exercise library for a coach who is putting together her own fitness program. So I just finished literally in the 10th hour or whatever that saying is. So now I'm just getting rid of some of the voice, sort of the background noises rather, out of the videos, and then just layering that with some background music. And yeah, it's good to go. I have a meeting with her tomorrow, so I'm going to find a way to transport those files where it's more high definition, so she'll get the full quality, so that whatever notes that she has, she could just go over it within the week, see if there's any holes that need to be plugged in, and then yeah, the program is done. While I'm doing that, I'm going to continue to plug away at these other video projects. So I haven't really gotten a chance to fully invest into my project, which is this season. So once those projects are over, I am going to dive full in and yeah, just come up with some awesome quality content. So going forward, speaking of awesome quality content, some of the content that I'm going to try to produce is another fitness program. So this program is going to be rolled out in phases. So phase one is going to be the preparatory phase, and then we're going to go into some performance, some hypertrophy, and some strength. So right now it's looking like a 12-week to 16-week program. Haven't ironed out the details yet because I've been so busy. So that's something to look forward to. So if there is such a program that you're looking for, I am a programming specialist when it comes to this fitness thing. So let me know what it is that you're trying to achieve. It's good to set goals and strive to achieve them, because once you do that, you'll just start to see the transformation all around you. You're going to start taking interest in different things. You're going to start prioritizing different things and start laying to waste all the distractors or disruptors in your life. So here's a chance for you to get on a program. Just let me know what it is that you're trying to do or trying to achieve, and I can help you do that. If not, just follow along with the program that I'm on. You can still see and reap the same benefits. Although I might be a little bit more advanced, I can always modify and regress some of the movements to fit your suitable needs. What else I got going on? Oh man, so yeah, Patriots won. So there's the parade, so that's something I got to look forward to, I guess. It's going to be disrupting my commute and all of this stuff. So, hey, celebrations all around. Anyway, that game wasn't that, entertaining, but it was a good attention grabber. Now, some of the advertising was subpar too, and then it just got my wheels turning, because as I'm creating, I'm starting to look at these commercials, and I'm like, hey man, you guys should hire your boy, because your boy got some vision and he has some awesome ideas, that can, further brands, right? So if you have a brand and you're looking to enhance your brand through video, holla at your boy in the comments as well, because right now I'm doing a lot of brand work with the local fitness community here. So if you're a fitness enthusiast or a beauty brand, whatever it is, whatever fits your fancy, whatever goals that you are striving for, let me know and I'll do my best to help you. Also, my mastermind group, so this is just a quick little update because baby's asleep and right on cue, right? The sirens come on. This is the sort of thing I'm talking about. It's literally throw on the camera, the sirens come on. And it's like your boy is living in a bando or a trap house or something. It's ridiculous. Anyway, yeah, so right now baby's asleep, so I'm just like recording this video literally live and just giving you a brief little update on what's going on with this, season's rollout, right? Yeah, so the mastermind group just released, we just created this Facebook community, which is geared towards helping the fitness community as a whole. It's called the Fit Pro Development League. So it's on Facebook, invite only. So if you are a fitness professional looking to develop your craft as a fitness professional or business owner, I advise you to join this group. It costs you nothing, but just your attention, because we're going to be striving to help serve a lot of fitness professionals and getting them the best quality education and mentorship out there, because we are a team of very highly skilled fitness professionals, and we're looking to service this community the best we can with our resources and our reach. So definitely get involved, hit up Fit Pro Development League, and your boy invited you. So once you sign up, I'll just answer a couple of questions, and yeah, you're all in. And then just introduce yourself to the group. Let us know how can we help you, how can we best serve you, and yeah, let's get it. Yeah, so right now let me just finish because it's pretty late. So let me just finish with my work. Done with this quick workout, and yeah, see you in the next one. All right. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at Iguala. Peace.